Okay, so this is a Whirlpool Cabrio. It is a fairly new washing machine. I think it's about 5 years old, maybe 4 years old. It's January 2018 right now. So you're looking at the bottom of it. It is laying on its left side. So this, what looks like the top is the, I'm sorry, yeah. So this that looks like the top is the right side, and this is the left side. So again, laying on its left side, back over here, front here. Anyhow, this thing was making a really bad squealing noise when it was agitating, just this horrible, awful grinding noise. That is the remnants of the belt, or part of it that was ground off. So this is a really easy fix. You pull this cover off, there's two bolts, one here and one over here. So pull that off, and this bolt right here is your culprit. This pulley was wobbling around really bad. So I backed this bolt off. It's really hard. It's got some Loctite on there. Obviously it doesn't work perfectly because it came loose. Anyhow, back this bolt off, put some new blue Loctite like this on there, and then put it back together. You need to get it good and snug. I just happen to have a impact driver that I have an adapter. It's a 13 millimeter socket that you'll use, and I got that on there good and tight with that. You obviously don't want to over tighten it because you'll break the plastic possibly. Anyhow, but that hopefully is going to fix the problem and it won't make any more noise, and I'll get this thing back together. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments.